So here at Shoe Healer, we've got some shoes in and some boots in that are having new back linings in. So you will see on your shoes or boots the back linings regularly wear away. So this is a repair we do. If you just have a look in there, you can just see how that's worn away. Look, it's usually just in the two side pieces. At either side it starts to wear in the shoes or in the boots. So what we do is we take some leather, some lovely soft leather. This is the leather, and we just taper the edges off. Put a little curve in the bottom, so that then sits in there. We rough it all up with a knife first so that the glue gets into the lining on there, and then we bond those in like that, and then we put a new foam pad, and then the heel seat piece goes in, and then we stitch them round the top, and then we just trim them off. It's not a beautiful repair, but it's a good solid repair, and it's the same repair you will get if you send them back to the factory. This is a boot. This boot has had a repair on there. Look on the back lining all the way up the back there. Can you see that? So, and then just trimmed off at the top, and it's a lovely soft leather lining, and it will put your boots back to how they should be. Bit of grub off your fingers around there. And that's your back lining done.